Good morning, I hope you're well. I'm in Filey at the moment and I'm currently doing a bit of a comparison between two sets of binoculars that I've got. So what I've got here is a pair of Usogoods. I'll put the name on the screen, and these are 12 by 50 and they're great. I got these just after Christmas and I really like them, and for the money I think these are excellent value. But I'm comparing them with a pair of Nikon Prostaff 5s. These are 10 by 50s and they're a bit heavier, marginally, not a great deal. The Prostaffs are bigger. They both come with wind out eyepieces so that you can use them with glasses or without glasses. Lens covers, solid. The Prostaffs are waterproof, the Usogoods not so much, and they both have a diopter on the right hand lens. I'm going to try and include some footage through the lenses and hopefully you'll be able to see the difference. But what I've noticed more than anything is these are 12 by 50s, the Usogoods, and these are 10 by 50s. So that's 12 times magnification, 10 times magnification. And actually, they're both about the same in terms of size, the image size. I can't see any discernible difference. I can't see this being 2 times bigger than this in terms of the image size. The biggest difference is in clarity. Now I thought these were great, and they'd actually, the Usogoods were the best pair of binoculars I'd actually owned up until buying these. Really good image quality, no chromatic aberrations or anything. That's where you get colours around the outside of objects that you're viewing, that kind of thing. Really good, really clear images. These, well, they're just different again. It's really quite startling. Overhead where I'm looking now, and I appreciate you can't see any of this, but there is a white building and I can see it really clearly with those. With these, I can see it, but it's just that little bit less detailed is probably the best way to describe it. So I'm actually glad I've spent a bit more money. In terms of how much money, well, these were about £30–40. I'll put some links in the description and the comment. These are about £30–40, the Usogoods. So good value. And the Prostaffs, these were 150. Are they worth the money at 150? Yes, the image is brighter, clearer, lets more light in, and it's the same size lens, a 50mm lens, sorry. And it's just as big, if not bigger, what I'm seeing, than the Usogoods. So I have to say, worthwhile. I'm going to go up to Filey Dams now and we'll have a look from there, and I'm going to see if I can actually use the camera through the lens and show you the difference. Okay, so I'm at Filey Dams and I've been trying out and comparing these two pairs of glasses here too. And I have tried setting it up through the lens to try and demonstrate the difference, and I couldn't get it set up right through the DJI Osmo. The Usogood does come with an attachment so you can attach your mobile phone to it. I actually don't know what I've done with that, because I never thought I'd use it because it's faffy. It's a bit fiddly and faffy, but it wouldn't work on the Nikons anyway. But just to summarise, basically, the Usogoods, for the money, they are actually pretty fabulous. However, as I say, I do question the 12 times magnification. It's not 12. But for clarity and for the depth of field that you can actually see, and the image is larger and clearer, the Nikon Prostaffs are they're just incredible. Really are incredible. It's just different again. I didn't realise when I bought these that spending extra money on these would be worthwhile. Because you kind of hope that when you buy a cheaper pair, that you bought a bargain pair, you know, something that's really good. And the Usogoods do have really good reviews, and for good reason, because they are good. But yeah, the Nikon Prostaffs in comparison are just fabulous. Anyway, this was just a quick little review. This was just a quick comparison really between these two pairs, just because I have them. If you like this, give the video a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. It's entirely up to you. If you like what I do on the channel, by all means subscribe and hit that bell notification. It just means whenever I upload a video and you open up YouTube, you'll get a little notification. And all that costs you nothing, which is pretty cool, right? All right, I'm gonna watch these a bit more and then go home for a bacon sandwich. Oh yeah. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, see you soon.